how to change your Instagram account to personal account. If you're ready to make your Instagram experience a little more private and personal, today I'm going to show you how to switch your account back to your personal account, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Now head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now here you can find all the account settings. Now scroll down until you find an option that says Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down until you find an option that says Switch Account Type. Now here you can see two options, that is switch to personal account or switch to business account. Simply tap on switch to personal account. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Simply tap on again. And after you've done that, as you can see account privacy, tap on that and simply toggle that option on. And that's it, your account is now switched to a personal account. You'll no longer have access to the business or creator features, but you get to enjoy a more private and personal experience on Instagram.